Regular car maintenance is essential for ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly, efficiently, and safely. Neglecting maintenance can lead to costly repairs and even dangerous breakdowns. Here are the top 8 car maintenance tips every driver should know to keep their car in top condition. Engine oil keeps your car's engine lubricated and running smoothly by reducing friction and preventing overheating. Check the oil level at least once a month using the dipstick. Park the car on a level surface, wait for the engine to cool, and remove the dipstick. Wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and pull it out again to check the oil level. If the oil looks dark, dirty, or falls below the minimum mark, it's time for a change. Most manufacturers recommend changing the oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, but refer to your car's manual for specific intervals. Proper tire pressure improves fuel efficiency, handling, and safety. Check tire pressure monthly using a tire pressure gauge. Compare the reading to the recommended PSI listed in your car's manual or the sticker inside the driver's door. Inflate the tires to the correct level. Also, inspect the tread depth by using the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of his head, it's time to replace the tires. Good visibility is critical for safe driving, especially during adverse weather. Inspect windshield wiper blades regularly for cracks, splits, or stiffness. Replace them every 6 to 12 months or sooner if they leave streaks or make squeaking noises. Consider using all-season wipers if you live in an area with extreme weather conditions for better durability and performance. A dead battery can leave you stranded unexpectedly. Check the battery terminals regularly for corrosion, which appears as a white powdery substance. Use a terminal cleaner or baking soda and water solution to clean corrosion. Ensure the battery is securely mounted and the cables are tightly connected. Test the battery voltage with a multimeter or have it tested during routine service. Most car batteries last 3-5 years, so replace yours when nearing that age or if starting issues occur. Coolant prevents the engine from overheating by transferring heat away from it. Inspect the coolant reservoir regularly and ensure the level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Only open the radiator cap when the engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Use the coolant type specified in your owner's manual. Consider flushing the cooling system every 2-3 years to remove debris and prevent buildup. Your car's braking system is crucial for your safety. Pay attention to signs of brake issues such as squealing, grinding, or a spongy brake pedal. Inspect brake pads for thickness and look for any visible damage to rotors. If you notice vibrations or reduced stopping power, have the brakes serviced immediately. Regularly check and replace brake fluid as well, as contaminated fluid can reduce braking performance. A clean air filter improves engine efficiency, fuel economy, and reduces harmful emissions. Inspect the engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or according to the manufacturer's schedule. Remove the filter and hold it up to a light. If you can't see light through it, replace it. Driving in dusty conditions may require more frequent replacements. Your car's manufacturer provides a detailed maintenance schedule based on time and mileage. This guide includes essential services such as oil changes, fluid checks, timing belt replacements, and more. Following the recommended intervals helps avoid costly repairs and extends the life of your vehicle. Keep a maintenance log to track services performed. Staying on top of these car maintenance tips will keep your vehicle running efficiently and safely. Regular inspections, timely replacements, and preventive care can save you from costly repairs and ensure a better driving experience. Remember, a well-maintained car is a reliable car.